Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with EXP and welcome home to 22160 122 Avenue in sunny Maple Ridge. The paint is fresh and the sweet smell of brand new is in the air. With $150,000 in recent renovation upgrades, you have got to come see this place. This huge townhouse is now on the market and ready to be purchased by you. Now come check it out. This brand new kitchen is stunning with a new fridge, microwave, stove, hood fan, dishwasher, and even hot water on demand. You certainly will not get cold with the brand new furnace and fireplace. We have hardwood floors throughout, new bathrooms, and you'll especially love the fully fenced cedar back area for privacy, and most importantly, the neighbors are quiet. This end unit boasts 1,400 square feet with 2 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 2 private outdoor patios. Check out how convenient the storage locker location is. Located in very close proximity to the most popular Gratia bakery. There's a rec center, high school, and the Golden Years Recreational Center nearby, including local breweries and locally owned restaurants. I'm Jessi Johnson with EXP, and I hope to see you soon.